Hello, students. Today we are going to take Beehive, Chapter 8 Reach for the Top. So, this lesson, Reach for the Top, is in two parts. The first part is based on the life of Santosh Yadav, and the second part is on Maria Sharapova. This is the story of a courageous lady named Santosh Yadav. It is an interesting story that fills a heart with a desire that nothing is impossible. It is up to us to realize our dreams and achieve them with the hard work. So, that single minded determination and dedication can help us to overcome all the hurdles and emerge as a winner. So, in this story, a young girl named Santosh Yadav, who was from a small village of Haryana, conquered Mount Everest twice in her life. She is the first woman in the world to climb Mount Everest twice and the first woman to successfully climb Mount Everest. She climbed the peak first in May 1992 and then again in May 1993. She is a Padma Shri awardee. Santosh was the sixth child born in a family of five sons in a small village, Joniawas, in Rewari district of Haryana. Her parents were affluent landowners. She was born in a society where the birth of a son was regarded as a blessing, but the daughter was not warmly welcomed. So, when mother of Santosh was expecting a baby, a holy man visited and gave her a blessing of a son. But Santosh's grandmother told him that they did not want a son. They surprised the holy man. So he gave the requested blessing, and as destiny would have it, the blessing seemed to work. The girl was born and was given a name Santosh, which means contentment. Being a girl, she had to face a lot of problems. She began living life on her own terms. Other girls wore traditional Indian dresses, but she wore shorts. She said that she was determined to choose a correct path, and then others were to change themselves, not she. According to the family customs, she was not allowed to go out of her village for education and was sent to the local village school. She decided to fight against that very system. When she turned 16, her parents forced her to get married, but she totally refused because she considered marriage the least important thing. She warned her parents that she would not marry unless and until she gets a proper education. Santosh's parents were affluent landowners who could afford to send their children to the best schools, even to the country's capital, New Delhi, which was quite close by. She left home and got herself enrolled in a school in Delhi. Her parents refused to pay her fees, but she told them that she would work part time to earn money. They later on agreed to pay for her education. Santosh passed the high school and later she joined a renowned college named Maharani College in Jaipur and got a room in Kasturba Hostel just opposite the range of Aravali Hills. From her hostel room, she used to see the villagers going up the hill and rapidly vanishing after a while. She decided to find out the truth herself. And finally, she found out that they were all mountaineers. She asked them if she could join them, and they agreed. Then there was no looking back. Santosh enrolled herself in a course at Uttarakashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. She went there directly from Jaipur and later informed her parents about it. She wrote a letter to her father and apologized for taking admission in Uttarakashi without informing him. Santosh went on an expedition every year. She had an iron will and physical endurance to face any problem. She was mentally very tough also. In 1988, she had asked the Aravali mountaineers if she could join them. In 1992 became the year of her grand success. She conquered Mount Everest when she was barely 20 years old. She thus became the youngest woman in the world to achieve it. She also became the member of an Indo-Nepalese women's expedition and scaled the Everest the second time. In recognition of her achievements, Indian government honored her with Padma Shri. During the 1992 Everest mission, Santosh Yadav provided special care to a climber. He lay dying and they she could not save him. But she could manage to save another climber, Mohan Singh. He would have died if Santosh had not shared her oxygen with him. Within 12 months, Santosh was invited by Indo-Nepalese Women's Expedition. She became its member. She then conquered the Everest a second time. She set a record as the only woman to have climbed the Everest twice. Santosh was really concerned for the environment. She collected and brought down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas. Many mountaineers go for conquering the Everest every year, but they leave the garbage behind. So it is a threatening to the ecology of the Everest. Santosh described her feelings when she was on the top of the world. She said that it took her some time for that moment to be understood. Then she unfurled the Indian tricolor and held it up high on the roof of the world. She says that it was a spiritual moment for her. She felt proud to be an Indian. Thus, life of Santosh Yadav is an inspiration for millions of women. She has taught that women are not inferior. They have the capability to do what men have achieved. And it is only through our willpower, patience, and determination that we can make our life glorious.